Hello guys, today as you can see I've got the JBL Quantum 650 and I'm going to show you how you can easily manage the spatial sound in your headphones. You have got this option only available in the application on the PC. It's either macOS or Windows. We don't have this option actually on the phones, so let's get started. As you can see, here we've got the spatial sound application called JBL Quantum, and you need to at first click this. Now, as you can see, you can change the room size from medium, which is default, to large or small. Here you can click more and it will redirect you to the head diameter and the same room size. The default head diameter is 20 centimeters, but you can adjust it up to your own preferences. You can click reset and reset it here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.